In today's video, I'll show you how to view a project's activity history in Todoist, a simple way to see everything that's happened inside a project over time. As projects grow and tasks get added, completed, and changed, it's easy to lose track of what actually went on. The activity log gives you a clear, time-stamped record of it all. Let's start inside a project. Up in the top right corner, click the three dots to open the Project Options menu. Among the options, you'll find View Activity. Go ahead and click it. This opens an activity feed showing a running history of everything that's happened in this project. Take a look at what it captures. You'll see tasks that were added, tasks that were completed, items that were edited, and more, each one stamped with when it happened. It reads almost like a timeline of your progress, so you can scroll back and retrace exactly how the project unfolded. If you ever wonder when something got done or what changed recently, this is where you find out. This view is especially handy for projects you return to after a break. Instead of guessing where you left off, you can glance at the recent activity and instantly get your bearings. It's also reassuring confirmation that your work is being tracked, nothing quietly disappears. While activity logs really shine on shared team projects, they're still useful on your own, giving you an honest record of your momentum and a way to look back on what you've accomplished. Open up the activity view on one of your own projects and see the full story of your work laid out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!